How to unlink Instagram from Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Now let's get started. Launch your Instagram app. Here we go. At the bottom right corner, you can find your profile icon. Tap on it. You will land to the profile page. Now at the top right, you will find 3 horizontal lines. Tap on it. Head towards the option settings and privacy. Over here, you're going to find different sections. At the very top, you'll see the option of account center. Open it. Tap on this option of accounts. From this page, you can easily unlink your Facebook from Instagram. All you have to do is tap on this option of remove. Tap on remove account. Unlinking Instagram from Facebook will lose access to these all other connected experiences such as managing multiple accounts, logging in across accounts, sharing across profiles. Tap on continue. Tap on remove. Tap on OK. With that, I have just unlinked Instagram from Facebook. So this is how you can unlink Instagram from Facebook. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.